Most people get this wrong. They think all travel credit cards are the same. But the Emirates NBD Etihad Guest Visa Elevate credit card has some perks that can make a big difference for frequent travelers. Today, they'll give you an honest review before you apply. The card is designed for Etihad frequent flyers. One of its biggest benefits is the ability to earn Etihad gas miles on everyday spending. You get bonus miles for flights, hotel bookings, and even supermarket purchases. For frequent travelers, this can add up quickly. Another advantage is complimentary travel benefits. Cardholders enjoy airport lounge access, travel insurance coverage, and discounts on flights with Etihad Airways. Some people get this wrong. They assume these perks are automatic for any travel card, but they are specifically tied to this program. The annual fee is moderate compared to other premium travel cards, but it's important to consider whether you will use the travel benefits enough to justify it. If you fly Etihad frequently, the rewards and perks can offset the cost. On the downside, redemption options are mostly limited to Etihad flights and partners, so it may not be ideal if you prefer more flexible travel rewards. In conclusion, the Emirates NBD Etihad Guest Visa Elevate credit card is ideal for loyal Etihad travelers who want to earn miles on everyday spending and enjoy airport perks. Make sure you calculate whether the rewards match your travel habits before applying. Subscribe for more credit card reviews and tips to maximize travel rewards.